Okay, what segment is congruent to AC? Well, if we wanted to find out what AC is, we can do the value of A minus the value of C. The difference between them is the distance, and take the absolute value. So the absolute value of A, -6, minus C, 0. Okay? The absolute value of -6 minus 0. Well, -6 minus 0 is -6. The absolute value of -6 is 6. So we have a distance of 6 from A to C. And let's just check that by counting. We could count, of course, but we want to be able to do the math in case the numbers are really weird and far apart and not easy to count. So, but we're here at A. To get to C, we go 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units, 4, 5, 6. So what other segment has a length of 6 units? Well, we can see here that B to E is 6 units. Let's just do the math that I was just talking about to find it out. To find the distance between two segments on a number line, or 2 points on a number line, you would say the first location minus the second location, and then take the absolute value. Okay, so what we're looking at is B to E. It looks like that is, we counted it, but let's do the math. So we say the absolute value of -2 minus 4 is -6, and the absolute value of -6 is 6. That was the same length as from A to C. So we can say that B to E, or segment BE, also has a length of 6, so they are congruent.